Hey vlog, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you subscribe, make sure you're watching my other videos, and if you're not new, hey, welcome back. So today's vlog is going to be an unboxing. I'm going to be picking up my new camcorder. I ordered it on bestbuy.com and they close at 8 o'clock, but it said that it'll be ready within an hour. I think I ordered it like a little bit after 6 o'clock, so it is it's 6:45 right now, so hopefully they like email me, text me to come pick it up before they close so I can get it today and I can unbox it today. And I'm really excited about that because I've been watching her name is Aslia on YouTube, and her videos are always so good. I love her videos, and she inspired me to get this camcorder. And yeah, and I also wanted it because I wanted something new, and I'm just like playing around with it, and I'm still playing around with my camera, my Canon. So I'm still figuring out like which settings I like, what I like better, how I like it to look, how I like myself to look on camera, because I feel like when I'm doing my videos and I post them, it looks blurry. I don't know if it looks blurry to you guys. If it does look blurry, let me know. But yeah, I'm just figuring it out, seeing what I like, seeing what I don't like. And yeah, so I tried new settings for today, and I think it looks better. I think I like it better, but I'm gonna see when I post it if it looks better. So yeah, but right now I'm just waiting for them to email me basically, because they're gonna close soon. And if they don't end up emailing me or texting me today, worst comes to worst, I'll just pick it up tomorrow. And if not, I'm probably just gonna grab some food with my boyfriend. And yeah, so maybe I'll see y'all, maybe I won't, but if not, I will definitely see y'all tomorrow when I pick it up. Okay, we are on the way to pick up my camcorder from Best Buy. They just text me that it's ready to be picked up, so I'm just waiting on my boyfriend. Okay vlog, I finally made it back home from picking up my camcorder from Best Buy. Here it is. A bit of focus. I got a Sony camcorder, and I also got the USB, not the USB, the SD card to go with it. So I picked it up yesterday, literally like we got there right before they were closing. So I'm glad that I was able to get that. So this is the box that that the camcorder comes in. So this is the Sony HDR CX-405 Handycam camcorder. Okay. So I'm about to do an unboxing of my camcorder really quick, and yeah, I will be back.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. Something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, and my body, my body says, my mind, and my heart, my body says, I don't know what it is. feel my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body.
So right now we are multitasking because I'm setting up my camcorder on my MacBook, and I'm also getting all of like my footage off of my camera so I can start editing my video. So we got a lot going on right now. So my nickname for my camcorder is gonna be Quasia. I'll just say I am a content creator. And I'm in the United States, babe. Why do I need a self-introduction and a link? Let's see if I go to my YouTube studio, if I can. Go to www.sony.net/pmx. I thought that's what I was doing. So www.sony.net/pmx. Let's see. Yeah, babe, that's what I'm doing. So that's what I was already doing. So let's not show that again. Don't show me again. It's hard to like record. Do not disconnect the USB cable. Do not turn off the power. Do not close the monitor. Okay. Well, how am I gonna get everything? Okay, so I don't need that open because I'm already using this one. So. Okay, so I don't know if by me putting my SIM card into the adapter did anything, or if I should have just left the SIM card in the camcorder. But I noticed that like this little icon, this untitled icon popped up on my laptop, and then I clicked on it, and then this screen popped up. So then I went to MP root and I double clicked on this, and then here is the video.
Look what I'm recording on my camcorder. This shit is crazy. Like, I really feel like I'm in the 90s. Like, y'all, look what I'm recording on my phone.
Okay, hold on.
Look at that. Y'all, look what I'm recording on my camcorder. This shit is crazy. Like, I really feel like I'm in the 90s.
So now I'm about to airdrop this to my phone right now because I'm currently trying to get all my footage from my Canon to my iPad, so I'm not gonna mess with that. So let's see if I airdrop it to my iPhone.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart.
So clearly it worked. I just airdropped the video. So this was like super easy. I'm just not 100% sure if me putting my SIM card into the adapter did a difference. Like, because I wasn't looking at my screen. Like, I wasn't looking at the desktop screen. I was on Chrome. So I don't know if it popped up when I put the SD card in the adapter or if it already was popped up before I did anything. But that was actually super easy. So I just created my account. I logged in and everything, verified my account through my email. And I already had everything plugged up while I was doing this. So yeah, after that, I had clicked on this little untitled thing, but I'm about to change the name of that because I don't want it to be untitled. Let's see if I can change to whatever. I don't know how to change it, but I was trying to change it to camcorder or something, so whatever, I would see it easily. But literally all I had to do was just airdrop it to myself. Like, that was super easy. Like, super easy. Like, that was like easier than this right here, than like doing everything, getting everything off of my camera to my iPad. But yeah, so now my biggest thing is just figuring out like settings and whatnot on the camcorder, and like just trying to figure out how to like make it look cool, like make it look 90s, make it look retro. Like, that's what I'm going for. That's the main reason why I got it. So when I'm doing videos and stuff, like I can have like different portions that look different. So yeah, I'm actually really excited that it was easy to get everything off of it, and I'm actually really glad I brought this adapter off of Amazon. And I think it was only like, and it's not even the Apple, it's not the Apple adapter, it's just like some regular adapter that I found on Amazon, and it was either like $7 or $11, I'm not sure, but I'm super glad that I got that. And yeah, right now that I know that I can get the footage off easily, I'm gonna be recording on this thing all the time. Like, the only reason I haven't used it today, like when I went to get my hair done, is because I didn't know if I was gonna have a hard time getting the footage off. So, but now that I know, I'm used to it. So yeah. Okay, so update. You do have to insert your SD card into this adapter. So you insert the SD card into the adapter, then you plug this into your computer, and then you plug this cable into the adapter as well. And that's how I knew it popped up, because as soon as I took the SD card out, the icon went away. And then on my Mac, it popped up that disk is not ejected properly. So that's how I know. So now I know. Now I really know how to do it. So get you one of these. Get you an adapter. I'm gonna see if I can find the one that I brought, and I'm gonna put the link in my description. So I'm putting everything that I got in the description. So yeah.
Yeah, look what I'm recording on my camcorder. This shit is crazy. Like, I really feel like I'm in the 90s. Like, what? This is so crazy. Like, look at that. Hold on, let's see. Ooh. She's cute. I'm gonna try a different couple settings real quick. I'm gonna play around with it, but overall it looks good. Like, I didn't think the quality was gonna look this good on a camcorder, and I like it. And I'm looking at the screen, so it probably looks stupid. I really should be looking at the lens like this, like how I'm looking at it right now, but I didn't expect the quality to look like this at all. Like, it's crazy. Like, it's really crazy. But yeah, so what I'm recording on right now is just like plain. It's like no filters or anything. Like, I haven't done anything to it. But right now I'm about to see if I can add. Oh, I can do stuff like while I'm. Hold on. Hopefully it's still recording, because this is crazy. I like black and white. I can record in black and white. That's cute. Yeah, this is cute. I like this. Let's see if it'll stay in black and white for the rest of the video. Okay, so now I'm in black and white. And this is crazy. I love this. And yeah, I just got my hair done today. But y'all will see that in another vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna post my unboxing first or what, but yeah, this is cute. I like this, and I'm gonna figure everything out, like how to make like the videos look cool, and like putting all like the little aesthetics and like the little effects on it so it looks real 90s like. But this is cute. Like, this is cute. This is cute. She's cute. She's real cute, okay? I feel like it's just giving very 90s. Like, I wasn't born in 01. I was born in 1993, babe. 1990, like, yeah. Yeah, she's cute. We need to name her. What's her name? She need like a little 90s name. This is cute. I love this so much. I love it. Love it. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, look, because my comforter is red, so it's kind of like picking that up a little bit. That's crazy. But yeah, I'ma definitely take this like outside tomorrow with me, so like y'all can see what it looks like outside. And yeah, this is really cute though. So like once I get ready and everything tomorrow, because right now I'm like in the bed and I'm chilling, just wanted to see what it looked like. And it's been recording for a while, so, and I have to figure out like how to get all of this footage off of this camcorder.
They said I can use it with like the adapter that you put like in your MacBook, but I don't know, we're gonna figure it out. But this is really, really cute.
ATL, Jacob, ATL, you telling me you falling out of love with me. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing. Taking our memories on love and treating it like gossip. It's my love for my grandmother make me gentle when I care for you. Tell me you're falling out of love, she's breaking my heart in two. I just don't wanna lay in bed. Almost like it didn't happen to make you happy. You telling me you're falling out of love for me. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did.